Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, and casting along the side we'll see further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with a gloss mid-silver contrast. To the rear you'll see your privacy glass as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate 2 further seats within the rear, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families, and those located within the rear will also have their own cooling vents within the 3rd row. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony Windsor leather with lunar grey stitch seats, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features to your disposal. You'll also be able to locate your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, and to finalise our journey we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which engrosses this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which is here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.